Hi, my name is Chris Young, and I use accessibility features on my iPhone and iPads. And I wanted to try out the personal voice feature. I'm having a problem with it, and I don't know if it's a bug or if works as designed, and I'm just disappointed it doesn't work the way I want it to. So I don't know if this is a bug report or a feature request, but I think it's a bug report because some people I've talked to claim that they've gotten this working. I can't get it to work. I don't know what the problem is. So I made this demonstration video on my brand new iPad Air 11-inch M2 running iOS 18.0.1. As you can see, I'm using switch control. I navigate to my personal voice. I've edited the video to remove my passcode. And here's a demo to show that personal voice is indeed working. This is Chris's personal voice. Not too bad. Okay, now I'm going to navigate over to spoken content and show you that I've selected that voice. I click on voices, and you can see under English, Chris's personal voice. We'll do the preview. This is Chris's personal voice. Okay, so we know that spoken content is connected to my personal voice. It's under English. Default language is English. Now I've navigated to a Google document that is a transcript for my upcoming podcast. And I'm going to select a bunch of text. And I hope that when I click on speak the selected text, it should use my voice. So there I've selected a word. Note the speak option is not there. I think it should be. It's also disappointing you can't navigate to that copy, select, add comment menu in item mode. Have to switch to gliding cursor. Come over here with gliding cursor. I select all. There's the speak option. I'm going to click on speak, expecting to hear my voice.
Contemplating Life Episode 76 of There Is Always More to Learn. Hi, this is Chris Young. Welcome to a special episode.
And in case you didn't notice, that's not me. That's US Samantha built-in voice. So the only way I've been able to get it to speak selected text is to use live speech. I've navigated back into the document, going to edit, copy. I've now copied the selected text. I'm going to go into the accessibility shortcut. Under device. Here it is. By the way, you cannot access that menu there using item mode. You have to have gliding cursor. That's a pain. Go into live speech. When the sliding cursor comes around, we'll click on paste and paste that selected text into the keyboard box. We've now pasted the text into the box. We're going to hit the speak button and get success. Contemplating Life Episode 76. Now there is always more to learn. Hi, this is Chris Young. Welcome to a special episode of Contemplating Life. Because online friends have told me they haven't had any problems doing it on iPhone. So I borrowed my sister's iPhone 14. You can see the iOS version. Here I've called up a Google document on her phone, and we're going to select all, and then we're going to speak. And again, you're going to get the Samantha voice instead of my voice.
Prophets as Forces of Redemption by Chris Young. In this week's class, we discussed
So you'll have to take my word for it that I had this iPhone 14 configured the same way as my iPad Air M2. It did have a working personal voice. It works with the live voice where I would cut and paste the text into the text box. I didn't show all that in the demo, but I just wanted to illustrate that this was not an iPad only issue. It's also on the iPhone 14. I also didn't show that I had tried selecting other kinds of text from other apps. It wasn't just Google Docs. I had tried Chrome browser text. I had tried Safari browser text. I had tried Facebook Instant Messenger text, a variety of text sources where I would select, tell it to speak using spoken content, and it would give me the Samantha voice instead of my personal voice. Even though I had clearly configured selected text with Chris's personal voice, I could preview it there. It looked like it was working. But when I tried to read selected text using the personal voice, it would not come out that way. So that's my bug report. I don't think it's worked as designed. I mean, why else would you allow personal voice in the selected text option if you couldn't read selected text with personal voice? So I think it's really a bug. And if you need any further information from me or test videos or whatever, something I can try, let me know. Thanks again.